Hi Professor. Today our group, which is Group A12, will be presenting the Project 1, so which focus on the ICT industry, especially the telecommunication sector, with Maxis Berhad as our case study. So our presentation will be begin with a brief introduction to the telecommunication industry. Let us begin with the introduction to the telecommunication industry. So this presentation start with a brief overview of the telecommunication industry in Malaysia. So the telecommunication industry is very important for Malaysia's economic growth, digital development and everyday communication. As per ICT sector, it provides key services such as mobile communication, internet access and some digital solutions for individual business and the government organizations. So this industry is very competitive and requires high investment. So it is also affected by fast charging technology, strict regulations, and the constant need to upgrade networks and improve service quality. So because of this, companies in the telecommunication industry must focus on innovation and efficiency to stay competitive in the Malaysian market. So next about the company overview. So Maxis is well known for its strong network quality and the good customer service and focus on innovation. However, the company operates in a very competitive market and faces challenges such as competition and the higher operating cost, spectrum fees, and the need to continuously upgrade their network, especially with the introduction of 5G and the fiber broadband. So beside the serving individual customer, Maxis also has a strong focus on the business and government clients. It offers enterprise digital solution, including the one service using technologies such as MPLS and the SD-WAN. So these services help organizations stay securely connected across different locations and support cloud usage and digital transformation. So by growing its enterprise and one services, Maxis is moving beyond just a traditional telecom company and is positioning itself as a digital solution partner, which helps strengthen its competitiveness in the Malaysian telecommunication market.
Hi, I'm Dinesh. So today I'm going to present about the data collection and the revenue performance, and also the SWOT analysis of Maxis Syndrome Berhad. So for this study, actually we use a secondary data source, which is mainly from the Maxis Syndrome Berhad annual report and also other industry reports. So as shown in the figure, you can see that the Maxis actually has a stable revenue over 5 years period, and also a slight decline in the early years, and also actually gradually recovered in recent years. So this improvement actually mainly driven by this postpaid subscribers, and also higher average revenue per year, and also an expansion of a broadband service. So overall, this figure actually indicates that the competition and cost pressure exists, and Maxis has maintained a strong market position through the consistent demand in a digital connectivity. So I'll proceed to my next slide. So in this next slide, the SWOT analysis of Maxis Berhad actually helps evaluate the strategic position of the telecommunication industry. So internally, Maxis' strength includes a strong brand recognition, and also reliable network quality, and also a high proportion of postpaid customers, which provides a stable revenue. However, the weakness includes a higher operating and capital expenditure, as well as a reliance on Malaysian market. The externally, there is a significant opportunity in the 5G service, fiber broadband growth, and also enterprise digital source. And at same time, the Maxis faces threats such as intense competition and regulatory pressure and rapid technology changes. In conclusion, the SWOT analysis suggests that Maxis must strategically leverage in strength and opportunity while carefully managing the cost and competitive risk.
In conclusion, Maxis Berhad remains a strong and competitive player in the Malaysian telecommunications industry. The company is supported by strong brand recognition, a reliable network infrastructure, and a high proportion of postpaid subscribers, which ensure a stable revenue. While mobile services continue to be the core revenue driver, fiber broadband and the enterprise solutions represents important growth areas. However, Maxis also faces challenges such as high operating costs, intense competition, and regulatory uncertainty. Moving forward, Maxis' long term success will depend on how effectively it leverages its strengths while managing this risk. Thank you. Recommendation. Based on the SWOT analysis, several practical recommendations are proposed for Maxis Berhad. First, Maxis should strengthen its 5G enabled and digital service offerings, particularly for enterprise customers, including cloud, IoT, and smart solutions, to generate higher margin revenue and reduce reliance on traditional mobile services. Second, the company should continue expanding its fiber broadband coverage and introduce more converged or bundled services. This will help improve customer retention, increase average revenue per user, and strengthen competitiveness. Third, Maxis should focus on improving cost efficiency through network sharing, digitalization and operations, and efficient reduced allocation to manage high operating and capital expenditure. Finally, enhancing risk management and cybersecurity capabilities is critical to protect customer trust and ensure regulatory compliance. Overall, these strategies will position Maxis Berhad to capture future growth opportunities while effectively managing competitive and regulatory challenges. Thank you.